In this video, we will make our contact form to speak response message when a user sent a message using your WordPress website contact form. Let me show you a live demo. First, let's see the error response message. In this form, all the fields are of the required type field. If we make any mistake or leave the field blank, then our contact form will give us an error response message. Here, let's leave all the fields blank except the name input field. Now, if we try to send the message, then our contact form will speak the error message like this.
One or more fields have an error. Please try again.
Let me click one more time.
One or more fields have an error. Please try again.
Now, let me show you the success response message when our message is sent successfully.
Thanks, your message has been sent.
Similarly, if someone tries to send a spam message, then our contact form will speak a different message for the spammer. First, you need to record these messages in separate audio files, and then upload those audio files inside your WordPress media library. By the way, if you want to use the audio files which I have used in this video, then don't worry, I will give you the audio files along with the other resources. Now, to upload the audio files inside your media library, go to the WordPress dashboard, and then click on the Media tab. Here on this page, click on Add New, then drag and drop all the audio files inside this box. I have already uploaded all the required audio files. In fact, let me show the uploaded files. This is the spam message file.
Please, don't try to spam us.
This is the error message file.
One or more fields have an error. Please try again.
And this is the success message file.
Thanks, your message has been sent.
Now, let's proceed towards the next step. But before that, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get new video updates. In order to generate the conditional audio message from our contact form, we need a small jQuery code. Contact Form 7 provides several types of custom DOM events. You can utilize the events within your JavaScript code to run a function in a specific situation. So we will be using different DOM events to generate audio response messages through our contact form. If you don't know anything about the coding, then don't worry, you can download the code snippet and audio files from the link, or you can also scan this QR code with your smartphone to download the code and audio files. Once you have downloaded the code file, go to the download destination folder, then open and copy the entire code. Now, go to the codepen.io/pen. Maximize the JavaScript editor, and then drag this line to the extreme left to hide the output window. Now paste the copied code inside the JavaScript editor. Here in this jQuery code, you will get 3 code blocks. The first block is for the error audio response message. The second block is for success audio response message. And the third block is for spam audio response message. Here you just need to replace the respective audio source link from your media library audio link. In fact, let me show you how you can do this. To replace the audio file from your media library, go to the WordPress media library. And then click on the respective audio file. Now, click here to copy the source link in your clipboard. Go back to the CodePen editor, and select and delete the default link. Now paste the copied respective link inside the respective code block. Similarly, replace the remaining 2 code blocks source link from your media library source link. You have successfully edited the jQuery code for your Contact Form 7 response. Now select and copy the entire code from here. Go to the WordPress admin dashboard and hover over the appearance, and then right-click on Customize option to open it into the new window. Now, scroll down to the bottom, and click on the Custom CSS/JS option. By the way, this option name or location may vary according to your installed theme. In my case, I have installed the Ocean WP theme. In many other themes, you will get this option as additional CSS/JS or custom CSS/JS or a similar one, but all of them have the same purpose. If your installed theme doesn't have the option for adding custom JS code, then click on the above video card to know the best method of adding custom CSS and custom JS inside your WordPress website. Now here at the bottom, you will get the custom JS field box. Paste the copied code inside the custom JS field. Here beware that, don't paste this jQuery code inside the custom CSS field, otherwise this code will not be work. Now, to take effect of this jQuery code, just publish the changes. Congratulations, you have successfully created the audio responder for your Contact Form 7. In the end, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get new video updates, and make sure to check out end screen video playlist of Contact Form tutorials. Guys, what will be the topic of our next video? Let me know in the comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.